How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1956 Bel Air two-door hardtop, done in its factory original Sierra Gold and Adobe Beige two-tone. Super solid car, all original panels. See, the bumper's been re-chromed and all the hood bar. Does have the original parking light housings. They're in real good shape, an original grille. All the stainless on this car is really nice. It's nice and slick down the sides. And I tell you, this two-tone is really sharp. Got a very nice custom leather interior that matches. Rear bumper's been all re-chromed as well. Taillight housings look real nice. It's got all tinted side glass, factory green tint. I purchased this car from a friend of mine. He's had the car about 5 years. Moved on to something different. I got the opportunity to own this beautiful car. It's got your power disc brakes, got power steering. It's got a nice little 350 in it with a 350 trans, aluminum radiator. Been all updated with the 2-speed wipers, electric wipers. Just a very nice car. Super clean, nice. So all the jams are real nice in the car. Tell you, I really like the interior. Very tastefully done. The chrome garnish moldings on the tops of the doors. It's got your I did it tilt steering column with the shifter. Headliner's all done in the leather to match the rest of the car. They did the front and rear seat belts. These are the original seats, and then they had them all redone, and they did the nice little bolster in them. Really nice. Comfortable. It's got your front and rear seat belts. I don't know if you can see through there. The speakers are all perforated through. Nice clean look. See, they did the trunk match. Tell you, very high quality interior. Just a very nice car, guys. Dash is all real nice. Did a nice little center console there with the stereo and your cup holders. Doesn't interfere with moving the seat forward and back. Tell you, it's just a very nice car. Super slick. Just a really nice small block in it. Nice little 300 horse 350, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb and everything. Tell you, that updated wiper system really works nice. Nice duals out the back. Backup lights and everything work. Tell you, it's just a really nice car. Got a set of 18s and 20s on it. Just a real good looking car. You check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.